Hey YouTube, here's a Caterpillar 244 mini excavator. It's a cat on the back. Very beautiful machine. It has rubber tracks. Caterpillar excavator. Okay, we'll go this way. There's the excavator. There's the excavator. There's a pretty much full view. Here we come up to the big old Caterpillar grader. There's chunks of old asphalt. Oh, here's the Caterpillar grader, 14OH. Okay. Here's the grader. Here's the cat logo right there. Beautiful machine. Very beautiful machine. Cat grader. And here's a Komatsu big boy PC12OLC. Beautiful machine. Beautiful. Thank you for watching, and here's my friend.